Again, what is up, guys? It's YouTube Brian here, aka Steve Sam Brian, and today we are doing a new video which one of my friends recommended me to do for the past couple months. We've been good friends for 2 to 3 years, and I've been sending him videos through Snapchat. So what it is pretty much me singing a song from the past, which from the late 90s, early 2000s, my childhood songs. So I picked some out, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ones that I pick. So the first one that we're going to do is this one. Airplanes like shooting stars. Wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. The airplanes like sky like shooting stars. Got wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah.
I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back.
But this is as the story unfolds.
You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish
So
for?
if you had one chance. Yeah, don't close that gate for me, cause I'm still going on my way. And airplanes rise high like shooting stars. Wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Like airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I can use a wish right now. Before I got laid. Not the other kind of laid, the first laid, or second laid, whichever laid you're thinking. Wishing out of airplanes. Can I get a wish? Hallelujah! Airplane, my sky like shooting stars. Wish right now, a wish right now, wish right now. Can I airplanes, night sky like shooting stars? Can I get a wish right now, a wish right now, a wish right now? Like shooting stars. A wish right now. Right now. Well, guys, that will end this episode. Don't forget to, this first episode of me singing to Airplanes, B.O.B. featuring, who was it again? Well, Haley Williams, it says on my thing, but it might be somebody else. But anyway, that was me singing Airplanes. Hope you like it. Hope your ears are not hurting from me singing it. And next time I'll put another song. I'm not sure what, but it will be definitely not Airplanes. It will be a different song. Alright, guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends all about my channel. Tell them that I was singing beautifully. I know it was probably horribly. Alright, guys, have a nice day. Bye-bye.